In this video, silipin natin yung kaganapan sa 2025 Kadayawan Invitational Basketball Tournament na kung saan apat na PBA teams ang naglalaro as part of their preparation for the 50th season of the PBA. Ako po si Ruben Terrado. I write sports for spin.ph and thank you for watching us on our YouTube channel. Consider subscribing to our YouTube for more sports news. And yun nga, balikan natin yung nangyari sa day 1 ng Kadayawan Invitational Basketball Tournament last August 21, 2025, no, na kung saan sa first game ay nagwagi itong Blackwater Bossing, no, sa score na 94-81. Cedric Bearfield had the big night in this game, 28 points on 6 of 13 shooting from 3-point range. There was a stretch in the fourth quarter na kung saan tatlong sunod-sunod na tres ang naibuslo ni Cedric Bearfield upang tulungan itong Blackwater na makapull away sa Phoenix Fuel Masters, no. And then Troy Malilin had 17 points and 6 rebounds para dito sa Blackwater Bossing. And then si Jed Mendoza, no, as seen in this picture, naglaro sa Blackwater Bossing, no, and I believe, no, he is vying for a spot dito sa Blackwater Bossing after being left unsigned by Magnolia during the off-season. So Jed Mendoza is definitely hoping na masama siya sa final roster ng Blackwater. And based from this game, no, so far so good for Jed Mendoza, no, making an impact, making a good impression in his first game for Blackwater, finishing with 16 points and 5 rebounds. And then bukod kay Jed Mendoza, there are also players who are vying for a roster spot dito sa Blackwater. Among them si Wendell Comboy na dating naglaro sa San Miguel. And then David Murrell na dating naglaro sa Magnolia and Converge. And then si Dariel Baila, no? He plays in the MPBL. Also looking for a roster spot dito sa Blackwater. And then naglaro rin dito sa game na to si Paul Zamar na nakapirma na sa Blackwater. And looks like his spot is already sealed, no, dito sa Blackwater after signing a contract. But again, itong Blackwater looking for more players. And itong tatlong ito ay mukhang may inside track sila for a roster spot dahil nga naglaro sila sa game na ito against Phoenix in their stint sa Kadayawan Invitational Basketball Tournament. And then in the second game, it was NLEX beating Converge, a score na 95-88. The Road Warriors led by as many as 18 points in this game. Nakahabolan ang Converge, even tying the game at 88. But after a Richie Roger 3 to break that tie late in the fourth quarter, hindi na nakascore yung Converge, and NLEX went on to win this ball game against Converge, no. And then Robert Bolick, in his usual self offensively, 6 of 11 shooting from the field, finishing with 22 points, also had 3 assists and 2 steals dito sa larong ito. And then Brandon Ramirez, 14 points, also on 6 of 11 shooting from the field. He grabbed 5 rebounds in this game against Converge. And then Robbie Herndon, maganda rin ang pinakita in his shooting, 3 of 7 from 3-point range. And he finished with 12 points sa larong ito. For Converge naman, Justin Baltasar, double-double as usual, 14 points and 14 rebounds, 11 points and 14 rebounds para dito kay Baltasar. And a player, no, for Converge, no, a new player, looks like si JV Casio is now with Converge after seeing action in this game. 0 of 1 shooting from the field in this game, limited minutes. But again, JV Casio saw action in this ball game, and it looks like nasa Converge na itong si JV Casio, no. Looks like he has already signed a deal with them. But let's see, at antay natin yung confirmation. But again, JV Casio played in this game for Converge. And interestingly, no, itong si JV Casio, of course, last season, played for Blackwater. But several years ago, JV Casio was part of the Alaska Aces And then, again, yung Alaska Aces, again, their franchise was purchased by Converge, no, back in I believe 2022, no. So interesting dynamics there, no. JV Casio, pwede natin sabihin na parang bumalik siya, no, sa Converge, since nga itong Converge was once the Alaska Aces, no. So again, JV Casio with a new team, and seeing action in this game for Converge in the Kadayawan Invitational Basketball Tournament. So yan po yung day 1, no, ng Kadayawan Tournament, ginaganap sa USEP Gym sa Davao City. And the tournament continues, no, on August 22, Friday, at the USEP Gym again, 5 p.m. It's going to be Converge against Phoenix. And then in the second game, Blackwater against NLEX. The winner of that game will take the solo lead in this packet tournament, no, na parte ng preparasyon ng 4 na koponan na ito sa 50th season ng PBA. Alright, that ends our video with regards to day 1 of the Kadayawan Invitational Basketball Tournament. Again, ako po si Ruben Terrado. Consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more sports news. And i-recap din natin yung day 2, no, ng Kadayawan Invitational Basketball Tournament. But for now, that concludes our video, and we will see you next time.